Alright, so now we took a look at audio tracks and MIDI tracks and how we can work with them. And let's quickly go back and take a look at audio effects over here. If I'm clicking into the category audio effects, we have different audio effects here. And these can be applied on both of these types of channels here. You can use audio effects on MIDI channels as well as on audio channels. So I'm going to pick up an equalizer. We have EQ8 or EQ3. I'm going to pick up EQ8, equalizer 8, and I'm selecting my drum loop track beforehand, double clicking on it. And if I'm double clicking on this audio track, you see down here it says drop audio effects here. So let's just do that. I drop this equalizer audio effect onto this drum loop channel, and let's quickly see what we can do here. I'm soloing this channel now, and I want to play it back from here, so I'm selecting this area. So this works like an equalizer. We can cut low frequencies and you will notice a difference when playing back the sound. So in this case, this equalizer in this setting cuts off lower frequencies from the sound as we're moving up in the frequency range shown right here. Low frequencies here, high frequencies here. And we can switch it on and off with this device activator here. So I'm going to switch it off for now. I'm going over to our bass MIDI track, selecting this one, and we have our instrument here because it's a MIDI track and we still needed to generate the sound. But behind the instrument you see it says drop audio effects here. If I quickly select this clip, now it's possible that this is what you're seeing instead of seeing this instrument. It's possible you're seeing this MIDI piano roll here. If you see this, go over to this area here, device view selector, and select the instrument where it says drop audio effects here. And now we can also take an EQ, equalizer 8, drop it behind the instrument, and the instrument now will generate the sound, and this audio effect behind the instrument, this is the signal flow, will manipulate the sound of the instrument. So we can use this equalizer on the sound that's leaving our instrument. Soloing our bass track for a second and playing it back from the beginning. So this works nicely already, and this is basically how you use audio effects on MIDI channels behind instruments and on audio channels right here down where it says drop audio effects here. And usually the signal flow goes from left to right.